everybody, it's Joe from NC Piedmont Outdoors. I am at the Bass and Saltwater Expo here in Raleigh for 2026. It's the last day of the show, but I figured I'd bring the camera this time, kind of visit some of the people I know at some of the booths, kind of show you some of the products that they have, and come inside and we'll take a look. All right, everybody, so now I'm in another booth. This is FishStyx. This is the owner, Mr. Dale Meter. And yes, it is a very small world because Mr. Meter here used to have my boss, currently at my current job, used to report to this man, and they worked together for how long?
6-7 years.
6-7 years. So yeah, very small world. So every year I come to the show, as I turn in the corner from the entrance, I come over to this man, shake his hand, tell him my boss says hi, whether he does or not, and shake his hand and wish him a happy new year and make sure he's doing okay. So he was nice enough again to do a little bit of a product kind of intro into his booth. He's been here for, I don't know how many years you've been coming to the show. 21 years, so probably just about as many times I've been to the show.
Yep.
Dale's going to talk about his new product he's got here. So Dale, why don't you show us and talk to us about it?
Let me give you a hit about FishStyx overall.
Okay.
We are a 40-year-old company. We've been building rods over 40 years, legally chartered in 96. So I guess I've been a legal entity for that long.
Okay.
Illegal before that. We hand build every rod. Every rod gets the attention that high-end customs get, whether it's our entry-level rod, our premium stuff. Everything gets built with care, caution. We quality inspect,
Okay.
which your buddy will relate. We quality inspect everything. Last year we brought out a new series for inshore fishermen using a slightly different blank, one that is a little sturdier, a little stronger. What we know happens is when you're fishing freshwater, you tend to have fish in a certain bandwidth and size.
Okay.
In saltwater, you might be out there catching trout that are 1.5 pounds, and all of a sudden a 40-pound red hits you. So these rods, we call them our Tidewater series, are made on a blank that is a reinforced blank, reinforced wall, 15 to 18% thicker wall. So now that takes that shock of that rapid difference in fish size.
Okay.
So it works, that thickness gives it a tensile strength greater than the others.
Okay.
So we get very few breaks. We prototyped them for 2 years in Florida, Louisiana, North and South Carolina. On the coast, we had virtually no failures.
Okay.
Other than a couple of guys stepped on them, and there's no guarantee against that.
Exactly.
So we build these in spinning and casting. We start with ultralights for the guys who want to fish for fluke, all the way up to heavy stuff for the guys that are chasing big bull reds.
Nice.
So that's our new series, Tidewater. We have our Clearwater series, which is kind of an entry-level rod, standard graphite composition, again, built with all the same care and quality characteristics, and then our premium rods are Wicked Step. Take a look at all of it at FishStyxCustomRods.com.
Okay, great. FishStyxCustomRods.com.
Yep.
So if you didn't come to the show in these past 21 years and you don't have, and you need new rods, check out FishStyx. From freshwater to saltwater to this new model here that he just explained. It's going to be an awesome opportunity for you to get one of these. So if you didn't come this year, make plans for next year. Visit FishStyx. They're always in the same spot. Right when you enter, make a left. You'll see Dale there for sure. Again, Dale, thanks for having me.
My
Thanks
pleasure.
for doing a video with
Thanks
me.
for having
And
us.
we'll see you next year.
See you next year.
Thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.